Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video demonstration today that will show you how to add images in Wix. So how to get images onto your website in Wix. So to do so, pick an area on your site that you want the picture to appear. It's always a good idea to decide that first. Then in the little Add Elements button in the top left hand corner here, if you hit that, and then select Image in the first section of that menu. Obviously we want to upload an image, so upload and import. You can also add them from the Wix library at this stage, it's worth mentioning. You can tag search for them as well if you're looking for something specific. But if you want to upload your own image, you select upload there and then upload images from this option here. So when you select that, it brings you to this little wizard and you are able to link or upload images from other platforms that you can see listed here, and you can even link it from a Google image search result. However, today we want to upload from computer, so make sure that you've got that little computer symbol in the top selected and you'll get this option, upload from computer. That'll open the Windows file browser, and I just want to open a random image for you just to demonstrate today. You can see this media that I've uploaded previously here, and as it's uploading my little file, there it appears. So you can manage it here. If you've uploaded the wrong image, you can move it to trash, you can copy it, or you can move it into a folder and you can kind of organize your media here. That's now saved on your Wix media library. So to add it to your page, make sure that you've got it selected so it's outlined in blue, and then hit the Add to Page button in the bottom right hand corner. And then hopefully there he appears. Obviously I haven't got a background on that image, it displayed as white just so we could see it in the gallery. You can resize that image here so we can see it all, and there is my image uploaded from my computer into Wix. So that concludes our very simple video tutorial for you today. If you need professional one-on-one custom support from Wix experts, then click the link in the description below. Even if you need a complete rebuild or redesign of your site, the support team of Wix web developers is here to help you. If you find this video useful, then please make sure to like and subscribe for more website tutorials, as well as comment below if you have any video requests for future videos. Thanks.